us through online mode. They say great minds don't just speak, they inspire. And today, we are honored to have our Director HR CIL with us through online mode. With immense honor and respect, I now invite Dr. Vinay Ranjan Saab, Director HR CIL, to address us.
Good morning. I hope I am audible. Good morning, everyone. Please that I couldn't be there physically owing to certain engagement here, but nonetheless, I am very happy to be part of our first ever seminar where we call it trustworthy security. So, respected Chairman, Coal India, CMD WCL, FDs of WCL, DDG ma'am, who is there. Yesterday we were there together in Delhi, and she is there in Nagpur. CBO CIL, CBO WCL, all my esteemed colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great pleasure. I welcome you all to first ever crucial security seminar. Coal India works in a very complex and different geographical locations where we face unique security challenges. We have to safeguard our vast mining sites, infrastructure, a lot of valuable assets. Secondly, safeguarding our workforce. So the scope of our security responsibility is very vast and immense. So in this context, we need to understand the mindset of the community where we are operating is rapidly changing. And since our mining operations is among the communities, we work along with the communities, so it's very, very important for us so that we build a trust with these communities. And building trust will take us a long way in terms of ensuring safety of our officers, workers, and all our infrastructure. We are, last 50 years, Coal India is now celebrating 50 years of its existence, and a lot of cutting-edge technologies has been, implemented, such as the surveillance system, drone technology, data analytics, to enhance our security capabilities. However, technology is only effective as the people who use it. So most important part is our security personnel. They need to be given confidence, and they need to be told and equipped with all modern equipment so that they do their duty well. So this is the first seminar. I would urge all the people who are responsible for organizing such seminar. So we must choose by end of tomorrow. We must choose which subsidiary will host the security seminar next year. So I will urge upon. So we decide. I can propose the name of CCL. In my side, I can propose the name of CCL who will do the security seminar next year, and I will assure that learning and recommendation of this seminar shall be brought to the Coal India so that we can implement this, and the quality and quantity in terms of our security service is to be enhanced. And last, I want to thank CMD WCL and Director HR of WCL, Shri Hemant Pandey for taking initiative and organizing such a beautiful seminar. And let it be an annual affair. And because security is very, very paramount and important part of our coal mining operations. And I want to also congratulate the WCA for the compendium, the security compendium. It was beautiful. I have gone through. It's a beautiful document. So congratulations to all those who have contributed in preparation of compendium. With this, I wish the seminar all the best, and let's the best practice comes out of it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your kind, guiding and encouraging words. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the honor that our chairman, Coal India Limited, Shri P.M. Prasad sir has joined the seminar virtually to bless us. Sir's presence, even if virtually, has indeed glorified the event. Please join me in welcoming sir to share his insights and words of wisdom with us. Sir, please.
Morning to all. Namaskar. Respected CMD WCL, Functional Directors WCL, Santosh Madam from MOC, CEO of Coal India, Senior Advisor Security Patel sir, DHR Coal India, Steering Committee members and Union representatives, CSF personnel, security personnel, all the delegates, press and media. I am very happy to note that the trustworthy seminar being conducted at WCL, which is an initiative, noble initiative. In fact, since long we should have taken this initiative, but we are never late. As Madam was telling, it's a golden jubilee year. So every year we should take at least on a seminar or workshop mode, every subsidy should have one to take the stock of things. As Senior Advisor Security has mentioned, this is a very important aspect, and in some companies it is really challenging. Security of men, material, machinery and all. The recent one of the incidents in Jharkhand, one life of one deputy GM in other Maratha company we lost. Similarly, next 3 days after one firing incident in CCL, one of our departmental personnel was also injured. So some challenging situations at different places are there. I must congratulate Team WCL in initiating this trustworthy program. In fact, our Vardidhari, uniformed protectors, are the first layer of defense in safeguarding our industry. It's in a challenging situations, they all safeguard our maybe at coal face, other material, machinery across. Of course, state to state it varies in Maharashtra, Orissa, MP and UP, at least in NCL, SCCL, command areas. Still it is a controlled activity, definitely in CCL, BCCL, some parts of Jharkhand it is very challenging. There is sometimes, even before after the blasting, we used to hear in 90s in WCL, in BCCL after the blasting, first villages enter the mining area, and after that, after half an hour, they will leave for our personnel to load. At few places, even now it happens, at least a mob of 100, 150 villagers rushing into the spot of the blasting, post-blasting, and after 15-20 minutes, they leave after some bags of coal being taken. So this we have to control, as it is not a single security personnel's duty, as a team Coal India, right from officers, staff, workers, we are all one. If we are all work unitedly as a team, definitely it will be a strengthening effect, and it is a laudable thing, whether it is compendium or the initiatives taken by today, the inaugurations. And ICCC, it is a flagship project of WCL 3 years back. And after that, our team has went to even Hyderabad, Cyber City, post our minister has guided, Senior Advisor Security, along with some ENT professionals. Security team have visited Hyderabad, Cyber City towers. And in 4 companies, we already commissioned ICCC and 1 or 2 companies by March. And by May, June, we will be completing everywhere. We can learn many things, whether it is in the wages, any extra person are there, or any vehicle going out of this geo-tag zones. Everything can be monitored from one control room. So this was also great initiative done by 3 years back by WCL. So I must congratulate Team WCL in bringing new things. And we have to practice in other companies, as Director HR has told. CCL, definitely they have to do CCL, Dhanbad, even need of our Dhanbad should also do ECL. At least Jharkhand, all the three subsidiaries which are working should do this annually. At least start of the things, we must evaluate where we stand and how to proceed further. And at some places, even a DIG rank officer in BCCL was kept as individual security also. We can think wherever any things happening, we can put some advisors in subsidiary level also to control and to guide us so that our mining operations are protected, machinery is protected, and our entire personnel are protected. So I want once again thank team WCL, CMD, Director HR WCL, Mr. Vikrant Mallan, and all others who have taken initiative and bringing this trustworthy seminar. Once again, my thanks and best wishes. After the deliberations, I think it will be useful, which other subsidiaries can also take note of these things. Thank you.
Token of gratitude from WCN.
May I request Dr. M. Pandey sir to please present memento to Mrs. Santosh, DDG Ministry of Coal. Request sir to please present memento to Shri Brijesh Kumar Tripathi sir, CVOCIL. Again a request to please present memento to Shri A.K. Pateria Saab, Senior Advisor. Request sir to please present memento to Shri A. Again request Shri of WCL. Request to please present memento to Shri Anand J. Prasad sir, DTP and PWCL.